Hey guys, good morning. Let's go over Cardano. Cardano is one of the holdings that, it's one of our highest holdings over here, actually. If you guys take a look at our account, let me refresh this over here. This is our acquire as many coins as you possibly can while the market's low account. So this is still actually doing pretty well. We're up over $6,000 here, almost at 7,000. But our long-term holding account, it's my number 2 coin, EOS. I'll try to do an EOS update for you guys soon because I think that'd be a really cool coin to cover for you guys. So Dogecoin and Cardano, Dogecoin's taken off. Literally, we're up another $2,000 in the last 24 hours, which has been pretty awesome, largely due to Doge. But in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about ADA. So ADA's got a couple articles we're going to jump into real quick, and then we're going to assess the tops and the bottoms of Cardano. Crypto analytics firm says Cardano is seeing its most positive sentiment since April. Yeah, I totally agree with that. We're seeing some money move back into the market. Cardano ADA founder reassures community that Vassal hard fork testing is going smoothly. So we're seeing these, I don't know if we can call it bullish, but more so reassuring articles here saying that the Vassal hard fork is looking like it's on track. Maybe by the end of August, we'll see it released. And so what are we going to do in the meantime? Like, here's the deal, guys. What are you going to do with your Cardano? Are you just going to hold it? Are you going to sell it? Are you going to buy more when it goes down? Here's my objective here. What I'm going to try to do is sell high and buy back lower, because I do think the Vassal hard fork potentially could see a pump in the market, or we could be seeing actually just a really big drop back down because people are going to sell the news. So here's what I'm watching for. TradeConfident.io. Go to crypto charts. Let's take a look at the charts, guys. They're going to update in 30 minutes, but let's take a look at this for ADA. All right. Here's what the metrics showed us. We didn't get a sell signal because I don't think we pushed up high enough for one. Or we just didn't. Like these are really, really good calls in the market. If you're really going to get a move up, guys, you want to be watching for the move down when the sell signals come out. You can access this with a membership. Real quick, guys, give me 1 second. It was $95 a month. It's now $75 a month. All crypto and stock charts are yours. Okay. And we call trade calls for you guys, and we're 440% more in the S&P 500. Woohoo! So we'll call them all out for you guys if you want to join us on that. Looking at this over here, I'm waiting for that sell signal, but we did end up getting this red metric bar down here, which is actually on our indicator, which is the market reversal. So what we end up doing, guys, we end up taking this metric and we coded it into a trading view indicator that you guys can have. It's in the description. I want to take you guys all to the 4-hour time frame because this is what I'm honestly paying attention to right here. We ended up seeing a buy signal down here on this candle, and then we started to move back up. We're hitting this consolidation period right now where, I think people are like, all right, well, we started to move up really fast and now we're coming back down. And it's like, okay, that was, are we creating, somewhat of this like bear flag to the downside potentially? It's like really sloppy if we are, but what should we be watching for? And my whole deal to you guys is like, look, I know technical patterns are awesome. Some of you guys just are diehard technical patterns. That's awesome. Here's the deal, guys. I would just be watching for the next buy signal in here. So if you guys are on the sidelines and you're like, hey, I make money every week during work. I know the Vassal hard fork's coming up. I want you guys just to watch for the next buy signal. That's all I want you guys to do. And look to dollar cost average in with that buy signal if you guys would like. Conversely here, if and when we start heading back up here to the top side, watch for any type of sell signals you get, because this is most likely going to be correlated to moves back down on the market. Now, is it 100% accurate? No, not 100%, but I truly believe this is the most accurate metric ever coded for crypto. Let's take a quick look at this on the 1-hour time frame. Make this a little bit bigger so we can see this. So we got up into what's called a liquidity pool. Let me explain this for you guys who don't know this exactly what this means. When you get red bars, this is a huge sign we're due for a drop back down. But a liquidity pool is when long traders look to take some profit. And when you see price up into a liquidity pool and you see red bars down here, and if it's for some reason it's accompanied by a sell signal as well, that's a huge sign. But these are big enough signs, guys, with big red bars at the bottom and liquidity pools at the top, that long traders are going to look to take their money out of the market, liquidate back to USD or USDC, or just, whatever their base currency is. Okay. That gave way to short traders in the market, or people selling. And then we see this move up here, and the sell signal calls the exact top before a bottom move back down. This calls the exact bottom candle before the move back up, exact bottom candle for a move back up. I've been getting questions over email, and you guys are like, Travis, what's the most accurate time frame? And guys, my normal answer was 1 day and 4 hours. But I'll tell you guys, I've been looking at the 1 day, like even lower time frames, because this metric does not use oscillators. All those guys out there that are trying to figure out how the world we coded this, I didn't code this. It was a buddy of mine, 4 years in the making. A lot of people were like, you've got to be using an RSI, stochastic, money flow index, CCI. No. We don't use a single oscillator in this entire thing. This is a mathematical calculation that uses literally like 4 different formulas to try to find the exact candle. And it's pretty stinking ridiculous. We compare it to so many oscillators. There's nothing that comes close to it. I'm bragging on the guy who coded it. I'm not trying to be arrogant here, but the guy did a really, really good job. So anyways, I want to just present this to you guys because right now, look at this. We're heading down here for ADA. The next time we see a buy signal, it may not be a bad time to look to maybe scalp the market. We give you guys this over here, which is basically just a full risk management strategy. If you guys want to get in the market and you want to look to take 4% profit, which is what I recommend you guys looking for, 1.04, you can change this to higher if you'd like. But 4%, I would honestly stick to the 4-hour time frame, and that next time we end up seeing a buy signal, you guys will be able to see exactly where the buy signal went off. Let's say it goes off down here. And then on top of that, you're going to be able to see your market order, as well as you're going to see your take profit, and you also are going to be able to see your other risk management down here with buy limits. So you guys can see this down here. We got buy limit 1 and buy limit 2. So when you enter into a trade, you guys can actually be kept really safe. This is what we've been doing, guys, and I've literally called out 440% more than the S&P 500, 44% within the last 90 days. If you guys are using risk management, you've already beat the S&P 500 with 1, 2, or even 3 buy limits. We're calling this out for you guys, but I like to give you guys the power in your own hands to say, look, if you're looking for a trade setup, which everyone is because we're all trading crypto trying to make money, use this to look for those tops and bottoms. Biggest thing I'm just going to end this video with today, guys, watch the daily time frame and set the alerts up for a sell and a buy. All of these indicators, both this one and this one, comes with alerts for buys and sells, as well as the red bars and strong buys and strong sells. So 88 at the moment, guys. Yeah, I can see an argument saying that we're making a bull flag here and we're going to try to target the top side, but I don't know, guys. I don't think Bitcoin is out of the woods yet. I think Bitcoin, real quick, guys, is definitely could potentially come down here and target this ascending support. It set a regression trend of about $23,000. I think a $23,000 move there would easily probably bring ADA back down to, I would say, this trend line right about there. Okay, and actually I'll put this on so we can see this, and let's kind of, we'll end the video here. But looking at this right here, I'm looking for ADA potentially to come back down to about 52, 53, probably right above that 50 cent. I mean, 50 cents is down here. Psychological, quarters theory level. I think we could have a little bit further move down, guys, and that might not be a bad spot to look to snag some more Cardano, honestly. But I would be patient, guys. This indicator, if it's done anything for me that's been just like above and beyond, obviously besides making calls, is it's made me really patient for really good setups. And that, honestly, guys, is why I believe we've been so successful with our scalping strategy over here and we haven't lost a single trade, is that we're very, very patient for the setups. Overall, I do think Cardano is going to be seeing a little bit more of a correction here in the coming days. We're starting to see the market, turn red again here. So just watch that, guys. Indicators in the description. I love you. Have an amazing day. And let's see what happens here coming up to the Vassal hard fork, but we'll keep you updated. Snag a membership as well as the indicators are in the description. You can click that right here to access the ones you just saw. Anyone who's purchased a bundle pack in the past, please email us, guys. We will give you a ridiculous discount. And then all of you guys who want to follow our scalping trades, we'll call them out for you. It's just $75 a month. And just follow us in Telegram, and we will call them out for you guys. All right, guys, have an amazing, amazing Tuesday, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye, guys.